Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make the most out of your social media experience. In this video, we'll be showing you how to limit what you see from a certain contact in Messenger. This feature is a great way to declutter your messaging experience, or see less from someone without blocking them completely. Whether you're tired of receiving too many notifications or just want to limit your interaction with a certain person, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger and go to a certain chat. To limit what you see from a certain contact, open Messenger and go to the chat with that person. Step 2. Tap on the person's name. Next, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat screen. Step 3. Tap on Privacy and Support. In the person's profile screen, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Support section. Step 4. Tap on Restrict. In the Privacy and Support section, you'll see an option to restrict. Tap on this to access the restriction settings. Step 5. Tap on Restrict with the contact name. You'll see an option to restrict with the contact name. Tap on this to limit what you see from that person. Limiting what you see from a certain contact in Messenger is a great way to take control of your messaging experience. This feature allows you to see less from someone without blocking them completely. Remember that by doing this, you won't receive notifications from that person's messages, and they won't be able to see when you're active. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.